Shit, I'm gonna go back. Oh no, dude. Oh no. No, no, no. I'm out. Holy shit! Dude! No! Oh, not that sound effect. Did you hear it? Oh, we're cooled down, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so cold. No, not this end. No. I'm actually so frustrated. No. Laurel's gonna get it. No. Your dad's like embracing it. My butt.
Laurel got good.
No. Look it. It's over?
No.
No. There's more. That feels good though.
That's why the line's so long.
Yeah. No.
That was
so short.
I don't think the ride is over.
It's close.
It is.
Yeah.
When you go on that thing, that's the end.
Well, I'm really wet.
No shit.
I'm so
barely
wet too.
I got a long leg. Look at me.
Yep. But
Barely wet.
Oh my god! I took all the.
My shoes got wet.
Yeah, my shoes got wet. My shoes are lifted by the impact. My shirt is damp. My butt is wet.
My butt is wet as well.
Impact.